Hello and welcome to this BleuPage Ultimate Pro upgrade. I'm going to show you in here the options that come with the OTO1 or the upsell here in BleuPage. So I'm going to start right over here with Pissarro. Now this is basically our text and image editor that you can use. We have a whole bunch of templates included in here. We've got graphics in here that you can choose from, artwork. We've got you can upload your own if you want. You can actually add a QR code. That's all set for you. And then you can also do hand drawing. So a lot of options in here. You can change your text however you want. You can change colors. You can add a word cloud in here. And let me go over here to templates. I'll show you what we have here. So for example, if you're doing t-shirt design or something like that, you've got here a t-shirt and you can put your text in here however you want that. Just put hello. You can make it larger or smaller according to what you want. And you can bold or do anything you want there. You can also change your color. You can curve the text if you want to fit the t-shirt properly. You can change the radius of it. You can change the spacing of it. So you really can customize this really however you want. You can change the color however you want to do that. Okay, and then let me show you these other templates here. You can see that these templates come pre-filled, or if you look down here at the bottom, you can actually select just a blank template and then customize it as you want. Put in whatever you want as into yours to make it custom for what you're looking for. So we have all of those options available as well. Over here in graphics, you can see that in here artwork, there's badges, clip arts, country flags. Just go through just a couple of these to give you a view here. So we've got this here in badges. You can select a badge, put that in there, change the color, whatever you want to do there. You can change transparency even here. This is handy. And then we've got clip art here, so you can select any of that you want. Just to kind of give you a rundown through here to see what's available. Also flags, you can choose country flags if you want. Flat icons here. Quotes, these are great. I love these. Nothing worth having comes easy, isn't that true? So you've got all these nice quotes that you can use as well. And then there's shapes in here and some zodiac signs. You can also upload your own if you want. Just come in here and grab whatever you want to upload. There we go. That rocket took first place. So you can upload whatever you want on your own. And then this QR code is really nice because you can put in any website that you want. So for example, I'm going to put in google.com if you want to direct people to google.com, and then add QR code, and there you go. The QR code is generated, and now when people scan with their phone this QR code, it'll take them directly to google.com. Really handy. You can go in here to text, and you can change your text design. You can put in here, scan my code. Okay, coming back here to templates. I'm going to show you about the word cloud here. This is really cool. You're just going to put in a couple of words, and BleuPage will actually create your word cloud for you. Watch this. Ah, look at that, all those nice colors. So just as simple as that, you know, really, really a lot of versatility here. You can change colors here if you want, you know, with different options, making some stand out more, or even embossing. Looks kind of cool. Okay, the other thing you can do is hand draw. So if these templates don't give you exactly what you want, you can just draw out whatever it is you want. And you can change these to also. So you can do, right now I'm on pencil. I can change the color. I can make it red if I want. I can make circles. You can do a spray. You can do a pattern. These are all the cool things you can do with this. An H line. kind of like a candy cane, do a V-line, there we go, that's the candy cane one. And then a diamond or a square, all of those options you have there. Okay, so that shows you all of the cool things you can do with this. Next, I'm going to come right over here, and you can actually create, with Pissarro, you can create your covers. They actually create covers in the right size, right dimensions. You don't have to worry about that for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and LinkedIn Hero. So I'm going to show you how that's done here. You just click here. It's going to pull up in here, and now I'm going to create my cover. So I've created this cover here. And I can move this around and kind of customize this however I want. I can change the text. So you get the idea. You can change the color. And then here you can go ahead and publish. And now I can just go ahead and put this on whatever profile I want. So I've connected all of my profiles in here, and I can just go ahead and publish to one of my profiles using Pissarro. So I don't have to log into Facebook, for example. I just come in here, create my cover, publish straight away. And here it's been updated. And if I come over here, you can see that my cover has been added. You can see the new cover, that's the new one I just generated. So all that can be done right inside Pissarro. All right, so another great feature that we have is Broadcaster. Now Broadcaster allows you to actually update posts that you've posted before instead of adding on to the post. So for example, this can be done for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google+. You would just put your broadcast title in here. We'll just do the score between Ajax and Manchester. And we'll say that right now the score is 0-0. And we'll just say that this is a football match. And you can see here you can add, you can put it on pages. So I'll select the page I want to put it on is here. I can also add in groups if I want, and to all those other social media sites. I'm going to come over here. So this is what I have in my dashboard. I'm going to come over here to the account that I added it on. And here you can see my text update. So let's go back and let's say that somebody scored. And it's now Ajax who scored. And we're doing an update here. Do it right inside of BleuPage. It updates there. And then instead of adding to it, you'll see when I reload this page, that my text has just automatically updated. So this is to keep people informed real time. Again, it can be used, it's great for scoreboards, news updates, currency updates, stock markets, whatever it is you're wanting to follow. You're not going to have your excessive posts and tweets with updates where people have to scroll through and see what the latest is. Instead, they see what the latest is right there as you're updating it. Really, really great for keeping track of all these things. Now keep in mind that we are working to get this integrated with the news sites, with the sports sites, with currency sites, stock markets, and those type of sites so that they will actually be able to pull from those sites integrated and update them automatically without you going and doing them manually. Right now you can do them manually, but we're looking forward to that integration. All right, another feature that we've added here into the upgrade is Competitors Watch. Now, Competitors Watch is really great because if you have a business, for example, and you've got competitors, and you want to see how your competitors are doing, multiple competitors or one at a time, you can come in here to Competitor Watch, load the competitor in, and check this out. You can look at what they are posting, and you can see what's been retweeted. You can see how many favorites it has on there. So you can actually see how their posts are doing, and then you can model that according to how you want to run your business. So really valuable here. You can come in and just see and look at all of these competitors. Say you're in the fashion business and you're looking at these competitors to see what they're doing so you know where to go from there in your business. You do need to put their Twitter name in here. You just click Add User. The user's been added successfully, and now you can see that Salvatore here has been added into my competitor watch so that I can keep a look on what Salvatore is doing here. See what's tweeted, retweeted, and favorited. So really handy. Over here in Facebook, you can do the same thing. So you can do them for different, you can do them for Facebook, Twitter. You just select the platform up here, and then you're just going to add them in. Okay, and then if you look right here, you can see that these are trends for me. So this is what's trending overall on a global scale. So you can take a look at what's trending, and that way you kind of get an idea of what's happening in the world globally. Okay, and that gives you an idea of what you can do with Competitor Watch. Really powerful for those of you who want to kind of keep up on what's going and what's trending there with your competitors. Okay, another feature that we've included here in the upsell is Megabox. Now you're going to love this. Megabox allows you to go in and look at all of your profiles that you have connected in for BleuPage, and you can see all of the messages that are coming in for all of those at a glance. So you're not having to log in and out of your platforms, in and out of your usernames. You can just see them all coming in here. So for example, if I look at account, I've got these different accounts in here, and I've got these messages that are coming through to that account. And so I can see what platform they're on, and I can see the date that they came in, and I can see the messages, and I can see who they're from. So this is really powerful to be able to save you a ton of time and be able to look at all of your messages that are coming in to your account. And then you can also respond to those messages right here. So I can just say, hey, whatever you want to put, and that goes ahead and posts the message and responds to your message that came in via that platform. So I've got Facebook Messenger here. And these messages I can see per page. So I've got these different pages, and I can go through and scroll through and see, oh, I've got these messages on this page and this page and this page. So each one of these vertical sections is a different page. As you can see how powerful that is to just do it all at a glance, really saving you a ton of time. Okay, and that concludes Megabox. So you can see what you can do with Megabox is really save you a ton of time looking at different platforms and different pages so that you can check out all your messages and really be more efficient in everything you're doing online. And that concludes this demo for the BleuPage Ultimate Pro Upgrade.